Hi everyone, and welcome to my very first video. I hope you will really like my blog. I'm hoping to give you lots and lots of information on the Cricut, and I just love this machine so much. It has helped me so much with my crafting, and I just love it to bits. First of all, I'll just show you some basics. This is the Expressions 2 machine, which was the first machine available to Close to My Heart consultants. You will see here that this is your blade and your blade housing, and this is where you put your paper goes under these two little lugs. Up here, this is where your cartridge goes. This is your zoom button, so you can see the design, and it will take up the whole screen instead of just being a tiny little square. This is your home button to go back to your home. This is your pause button, and this is your power button. At the back of the machine, if I just turn the machine around, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but this is your power cord here, and this is where you place your USB that you should have got with your machine. And this will connect it to your computer if you want to use Cricut Craft Room. And now this machine originally came with the Cricut mat here, but since then they have upgraded this mat to the new and improved mats. This one here is a standard grip mat, and the blue one here is a light grip mat. I like to use this on my Close to My Heart White Daisy and Colonial White cardstock because it cuts it really nicely, where the standard one tends to be a bit too sticky. And this was my very first Close to My Heart cartridge. It is the Art Philosophy. Now we have the actual physical cartridge here and the overlay. Now this overlay doesn't apply to the Expressions 2 because the Expressions 2 is all touchscreen, where the Expression 1 you laid this and then you just pushed the various buttons to cut your design, but we don't do that in Expressions 2. But I always like to lay it over here for reference. Even though you get the little booklet, it is sometimes when you have the little tiny it's not focusing too well. When you have the little tiny red dot, it's easier to find it up here. So I'm going to turn the machine on now, and you'll see that there is no cartridge in it at the moment, and you'll have to excuse my videoing. I'm just doing this on my phone. It takes a little while to come up, and yeah, you just can't quite see that screen, and that noise is just preparing the rollers and preparing the machine, and you'll automatically come to the home screen. Now there are designs built into the machine already before you add a cartridge, so you can play with those. Now I'm just going to show you how to I'm putting in my cartridge. So I'm putting that into there. It doesn't matter whether the machine is turned on or off. You can load your cartridge, and then you'll find that the screen, this is not showing up very well, has changed to the Art Philosophy.